Reporting inside the Lee County Courthouse, Caitlin Knapp, Fox 4.
Southwest Water, I'm Fox 4 meteorologist Trent Eric. We are looking outside right now, and we are looking eastbound from our camera down at the bayfront end, and we've actually got some blue skies overhead. We'll take that because we're going to continue to see a decent amount of cloud cover here today as we've got a low that is moving off the east coast, and that storm system is what you're seeing there on the horizon as we look over a fairly calm Naples Bay. Yesterday, it was Collier County that received the most rainfall, some areas 4 to 5 inches. It was needed. I know it made the Wednesday evening commute and any type of plans a little rough yesterday, but this is the type of storm systems we need to make up that deficit. We'll show you where we stand in just a moment. This is the low as it organizes itself as it moves off the east coast. As you can see, this spin really well defined north of Bimini, heading off towards Freeport here early. Even the rainfall over towards Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach County beginning to taper off. And for us, we'll watch a little moisture pull throughout the day. So a 30% chance to pick up some rainfall here on your Thursday. These are some of the totals. You look at Isla Capri, Naples Park, 4 1/4 to 5 3/4 inches of rain. It tapered off as you worked north, but areas still around Clewiston and LaBelle picked up over 2 inches of rainfall. And Fort Myers saw anywhere from 1 3/4 to 2 1/2. We actually set a daily record at Page Field around 1 3/4 inches. And when you look at the deficit now, we're down under a foot. That helps. And we're running a surplus for the month of November. And yesterday's record almost matched our monthly average. We averaged 1.78 inches for the entire month of November. And today we have the potential to add just a little bit to it. You see that wind continuing to gust in the mid-20s here by lunchtime. And then 3 to 6 o'clock, we'll see some of that lingering moisture. By no means is today going to be as wet as yesterday. Matter of fact, drier air slowly will start to move in. And we're waking up to temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s with the breeze, the clouds. Our temperatures today only up around 78 to 79. And you can see the wind for us early here, 10 to 15. We've seen gusts this morning approach 30 miles per hour already. And you can see a gust of 26 right now in Page Field. So our wind today will stay in the mid-teens. Those gusts even higher will stay in the upper 20s early. It will get a little bit lighter later on in the afternoon as that low pulls away. And you can see the messy setup. We've got 2 distinct areas of low pressure. One that stalled over the Gulf and is going to drift slowly south. The other one is the one that's developing off the east coast, and it will pull away here today. And as it does so, it will start to take a lot of that moisture with it and eventually bring in some dry air as we move ahead through Friday and eventually to Saturday. You see that wind come out of the north and we dry out. So that kind of sets the stage here for late in the week into the weekend. In the 7-day forecast, we wrap up really nice. We'll be in the low 80s here. That's near our average of 81. Overnights will be rather cool. And then looking ahead towards next week, I know it's the week of Thanksgiving. We do have a slight chance of some showers, maybe even a thunderstorm on Tuesday. Cooler air arrives by the middle parts of the week, setting up a very nice Thanksgiving.